She changed the science of life itself. The world gave her husband the Nobel Prize. Her name was Esther Lederberg. Growing up poor in the Bronx during the Depression, watching her father's printing presses roll, learning, always learning. At 10 years old, she asked her Orthodox grandfather to teach her Hebrew. Girls didn't study it. He hesitated. She learned faster than any of the boys ever had. She was already breaking rules that weren't real rules at all. Professors at college warned her, science is too hard for women. She studied biochemistry anyway. At Stanford, a Yale doctoral student named Joshua Lederberg wrote to her about her mold research. 5 months later, they were married. At the University of Wisconsin, Esther worked as his unpaid assistant while earning her own PhD. Nobody found that strange. That's just how it worked in 1947. Then came the discovery that changed everything. Esther was mixing 2 strains of E. coli bacteria. When she checked the petri dish, something was wrong. Colonies were missing, sections eaten away. A virus was attacking the bacteria, but unlike any virus ever seen, every known virus invaded, hijacked, exploded the cell. Fast, violent. This one slipped inside and waited. It wove its DNA into the bacteria's own genetic code, patient, invisible, hiding inside living cells, waiting for the right moment. She named it lambda phage. Scientists worldwide recognized it immediately. Lambda phage became the Rosetta Stone of genetic engineering, gene therapy, genetic modification, the entire biotechnology industry, built on what Esther found in that Wisconsin lab. Then she solved a second problem. Testing bacterial mutations took weeks, 1 colony at a time with a toothpick. She remembered her father's print shop. She went to a fabric store, tested different materials, different textures. Finally, velvet, the exact right pile, thickness, and density. Press it onto a plate of colonies, transfer them perfectly. Every single one. What took weeks now took minutes. In 1958, Sweden called. Joshua Lederberg had won the Nobel Prize in Medicine. Esther put on a dress and sat in the audience. Her husband briefly acknowledged her discovery of lambda phage, then said nothing more. The Nobel Committee never called her name. She never received tenure. Not at Wisconsin, not at Stanford, not anywhere. In 1966, they divorced. That same year, editors of a landmark book celebrating molecular biology invited every important figure in the field. Esther Lederberg was not invited. She kept working anyway. She founded Stanford's Plasmid Reference Center. She worked in the lab even after retiring as director. She died in 2006, age 83. Lambda phage is now used in laboratories on every continent. Replica plating is taught in every microbiology class on Earth. Most textbooks credit the Lederbergs. Joshua listed first. They don't say which Lederberg thought of using velvet. She thought of velvet. She discovered lambda phage. She revolutionized science twice, and the world forgot to say thank you.